Another easy way to protect your ad spend so that you're not getting other people from other countries clicking on your ads is you'll want to install a plugin on your WordPress website called WordFence. And so it costs a bit of coin. It's only like what, $150 a year to get this. Once you install it, you can actually block bots, you can block people trying to hack your website. So as you can see on here, I block a few thousand people trying to hack my website every single month. Sorry, every week. This is the past week, right? And then I also block certain countries. And so inside of here, once you set up WordFence, you can go update your blocked countries. Normally I've got a list of countries that I want to block. So you might want to click on country and then you can select countries from the block list. So by default, at least from what I'm doing, I selected all the countries from the list. And all I did is I'm like, okay, well, I want some leads from Australia. I want people from United States to still visit my website. And so I just like crossed out, Australia and United States. So I'm not accidentally blocking them. Saudi Arabia is okay. I might want to make sure I include that. Just keep combing through it and then click update, right? And so what this is going to do is it's going to show an error. It kind of looks like this. So they'll visit the website and it'll say, hey, your access to this site has been limited. This just helps block out all that unnecessary traffic that you don't want people to even visit your website. So this is amazing for local businesses like plumbers, lawyers, dentists, all that kind of stuff who get a lot of visits from like South Africa or from China or from, other countries where you're like, hey, I don't service people in those locations. Why are people like visiting my website and clicking my ads? So this helps solve that problem. And so it's not bulletproof. So people can use VPN still, but it blocks a majority of them. So you use WordFence to block like people coming to the website, just website visitors, all of them. It doesn't matter if they're from SEO or other sources, you still block them. And you use something like Fraud Blocker to block out people using VPNs and all that stuff. And, to make sure that you're not serving ads to them by accident. So yeah, hope that helps. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.